UPSC EPFO exam 2017 question paper solved part 4. Question number 81. Which one of the following explains the citizen concept of labor? Answer is option C. Labor has a right to be consulted in regard to the terms and conditions under which they are supposed to work. Question number 82. Who among the following can be appointed as the chairman of the Central Advisory Board constituted by the central government under the Minimum Wages Act 1948? The option is A, which says one of the independent members of the board. Question number 83. Which one of the following comes under the state list under the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India? Answer is option A, relief of the disabled and unemployable. So these are the list: union and concurrent and state. You can go through. Question number 84. The assumption that man is selfish and self-centered and always tries to achieve his own ends even at the cost of others explains which theory of labor welfare? Answer is B, police theory of labor welfare. Given is the theory, which again you can go through. Question number 85. Dr. Acciot's formula is associated with determination of. Answer is option B, minimum wage. Question number 86. Everyone as a member of the society has the right to social security and is entitled to realization through national efforts and international cooperation and in accordance with the organization and resources of each state of economic, social, and cultural rights indispensable for his dignity and free development of his personality. This statement, which is emphasizing the importance of social security, has been expressed in which of the following? Answer is option number A, Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Question number 87. For the first time in India, medical benefit as a non-cash benefit was provided under. Answer is A, the Employees State Insurance Act 1948. Question number 88. Which one of the following is the correct set of contingencies identified by William Beveridge in his comprehensive social security scheme? Answer is A, want, disease, ignorance, squalor, and idleness. Question number 89. Which one of the following statement is not correct for Atal Pension Yojana? So, the option which is not correct is D, that is, it is applicable to all citizens of India aged above 40 years. It is actually applicable to citizens who are between the age of 18 to 40. Question number 90. Which one of the following is the amount of annual premium of the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana for accident and disability cover-up for rupees 2 lakhs? Answer is D, that is rupees 12. Question number 91. Examine the two statements carefully and select the correct answer. Statement 1. The force on moon due to earth is the action, while the force on earth due to moon is the reaction. Statement 2. To every action there is an equal and opposite direction. So the answer is option A, that both the statements are individually true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Question number 92. Examine the two statements carefully and select the correct answer. Statement 1. It is a common observation that if we place a glass of ice water on a table at room temperature, the ice water will get warmer. Statement 2. Heat is energy that flows between a system and its environment because of temperature difference between them. Answer is A again, which says that both of these statements are correct, and second statement is the explanation of the first statement. Question number 93. Which one of the following materials is not diamagnetic at standard temperature and pressure? STP. Correct option is D, iron. Question number 94. Which one of the following gases has the highest solubility in water? Answer is B, ammonia. 95 is bleaching powder contains chlorine. What is the causal agent of chikungunya? Causal agent. What causes chikungunya? It is a virus. Option C. Bioremediation is a technology which is being extensively utilized in controlling heavy metal pollutions. Option D. Beauty of some historical monuments is greatly affected by the growth of certain living organisms. These living organisms belong to which one of the following groups? Answer is option B, lichens, which is in symbiotic association between an algae and a fungi. Question number 99. Which one of the following has the characteristics of both an animal as well as a plant? Answer is D, Euglena. Question number 100. In order to save the stored food grains from insects, farmers usually mix with them. Answer A, neem leaves. 101 is CD-ROM is a. Answer, secondary memory. 102. WAP stands for D, Wireless Application Protocol. Answer is D. Question number 103. Bluetooth technology allows. Answer is C, wireless connection between various devices, equipment over short distances. Question number 104. Which one of the following is not a basic function of a computer? Answer is C, scan text. Others are the basic function of a computer, that is accept and process data, store data, and accept input. 105 is which one of the following is hardware? B, control unit. Next question is a mathematical numerical. So, two vehicles which are 100 kilometers apart are running towards each other in a straight line. In how much time will they meet each other provided they follow a uniform speed of 45 km per hour and 80 km per hour respectively? So, you need to solve this. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So you will get the answer as 48 minutes. So at 48 minutes, the both would be parallel to each other. They will meet. Next numerical is 107 question is, the price of an article is increased by 20%. Further, there is a tax of 5% on the increment. If the article costs rupees 1331 to the customer, then what was the price of the article before the increase in price? Answer would be 1100. The cricket bat is purchased at 20 rupees at 20% discount. If the selling price of the bat is rupees 1000, what was the original price of the bat? Answer is 1250, that is. Now here, which one of the following diagram is most appropriate to the statement? Tea producing places are either in Assam or in Bengal. So here, answer is D. An oval shape represents tea producing places and two rectangular boxes, Assam and Bengal. So places could be some of the places of Assam and some of the places of Bengal. But tea is entirely in Assam and Bengal. But Bengal and Assam are not entirely tree producing. That's why the circle covers some part of both the rectangles. 110. Suppose the remainder obtained while dividing x by 61 is 2. What is the remainder obtained while dividing x to the power 7 by 61? Answer is D. What is the maximal number of spherical balls of radius 1 centimeter each that can be placed inside a cubical box of height 10 centimeter? So the answer would be 125. Next question is, in a city 80% population eats rice and 90% of the rice eaters are non-vegetarian. Then what percent of the population are vegetarian rice eaters? Answer would be 8%. Question number 113. Two vehicles A and B travel with uniform speed 30 km per hour and 60 km per hour respectively in the same direction. They start at the same time and from the same place for a distance of 120 km. The faster vehicle B reaches the destination and travels back with the same speed. Assume that the loss of time to change the direction is negligible. If x is the distance traveled by the slower vehicle A before the two vehicles cross each other, then x is. Answer would be 80 km. The price of a bottle of cold drink is rupees 10. One bottle of cold drink can also be bought by returning 100 empty bottles. A person has rupees 1000 and 19 empty bottles. Assuming that the person can consume any number of bottles he buys, what will be the number of empty bottles he possesses at the end if he buys maximum number of bottles of cold drink and consumes all? Answer is C, 2. Next question is 115. If the radius of a new spherical container is doubled the radius of the old spherical container, then the ratio of the volume of the new container and the volume of the old container is. Answer is C, 8:1. 116th question. A container is filled with 300 liters of hydrogen gas. The first day it loses 100 liters of hydrogen gas, and every day it loses 1/3 of the volume it lost in the previous day. Then the container will possess at least 150 liters of hydrogen gas on the 100th day. Answer D. 117. The area of a smaller circle which contains a square of area 4 cm square inside is B. 20 cm square would be the area of this circle. Consider following figures. Now, which one of the following image of the object in the mirror? For this arrow, we need to select a mirror image. So the answer would be option A. 119th is three persons A, B, C run a business together and their shares are 17%, 37% and 46% respectively. Any profit they earn is distributed according to the proportion of the shares. If the difference in profits of B and A on a given date is 1000, what is the profit of C on that day? Answer would be rupees 2300. Question 120, last question, is the circumference of a circle is 20 centimeter. Then the area of the square inscribed in a circle is. So from the circumference we can get the radius, and from radius we can get the diameter, and from the diameter we can get the area of the square. 2 pi r is circumference. and area of a square is a square, that is square of its sides. When we know the side of the square, and area of a square when we know the diameter is square of the diameter divided by 2. So the answer is D, 2 centimeters square. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and share with your friends, and please do subscribe the channel.